Hey, what's up, guys? It's AG Boys again. I wanted to do like more vlog type videos, but like we have two Miatas in the house in the shop. Actually, got the NA and NB model over there.
Yeah, I'll go over there.
So right now we're in the process of cleaning like these two Miatas, so that we can actually flip them.
It's nasty up here.
Yeah, but they both got these Miata at a fairly good prices, and hoping for them to flip and make good profit. All right, so what did you find in here?
Some corn dog sticks and
Yeah,
broken
so-
glass.
So they just removed the passenger seat. And I think she is about to remove the driver's seat, but there's a lot of trash underneath here. And I actually got this NB Miata. What year is this from, Esteban?
99.
1999. Yeah, so let me get a good shot over here. As you can see, yeah, it looks pretty decent, but we just have to fix these dents that you see right here. Yesterday, if you can, I'll link their channel in the description, but they fixed the bumper dent, the front bumper, and that's honestly not that noticeable, but later on we have to go fix this dent and the one that's on the hood. Right now, we're just cleaning at home.
I don't know. Someone might want to use it.
This Miata right here is on MST Motor Sport Technology wheels. Honestly, it looks pretty sick with the color. I like the green and white combo. And this Miata is a hardtop.
Tired of touching this nasty crap, bro.
Hey, swallow your hand.
I don't want to.
Swallow it.
I might want to.
It's all trash bag. You smell it.
You want some new boots?
Those
Came with the car.
Those are some Chick-fil-A shoes.
Chick-fil-A.
For Chick-fil-A.
Some non-slip.
So that they won't slip on the grease.
Yeah.
Hey, and you know that's when you know you're a mechanic because you work with oil a lot. So you don't want to slip while you work on your cars. What is that? Cardboard. From a shoebox.
Oh, it's their wheel?
Yeah.
Hey, look, let's see. Hey, let's see what kind of things he finds.
Nah, bro.
Do you think this is compatible with the NA? Because we could put...
So this is what the interior looks like. But just without the seats.
You have you want to hold this? I'm gonna run this to the outside. So it doesn't make sense.
Did you get any chance to rip it out? Maybe not, right? Maybe it's like the plastic foot part.
This is the interior of the NA. Has the quick release. Can open the door. This is opens. Pretty beat up. This one has 254,000 miles on there for the NA. This is has like aftermarket headlights. And that's the rooftop. Alright, Simon, tell me what's the update.
Huh?
What are you guys doing?
Oh shoot, bro. Right now we're just doing like you're so close to my face, bro.
I'm not.
So right now we're just doing like a basic I guess, wipe down and vacuum is what I can call it, because it's not considered a full detail since we're not really doing any like shampooing or any like air compressing. It's just a wipe down.
Okay.
Just because it had so much crop, like you could see earlier. So yeah, that's about it. I put you on the spot, bro. The light. Man, bro, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm about to go to work. Yep. 'Cause I used to do this at my old job.
Yep.
What is that? It's a speed shine. Makes the car more shiny.
It's not that good, but
I have to spray on the car.
use out the other one.
Can I do it on that side? I'll just wait until the bolt.
I don't like it. I don't like how this one looks.
Right now.
Yeah.
It's better than this one.
It's really nasty.
What's up? You can see the reflection of the light. It's so clean.
Not really,
It
dude.
looks
I'm
nasty.
freaking. That's nasty. I don't like it. I think we're just gonna wait till we wash it.
And the seats. Are you just gonna vacuum the seats?
Yeah, I'm not gonna start there because I don't want to get it out.
Okay.
No, I don't want to get the extractor out. I'm too lazy to get it out. So I'm just doing it right this way. The lazy way.
Huh?
Down there, it's good.
It's just gonna take way longer.
Pretty wax go?
It'll take longer than washing it.
Oh, it's like,
Yeah, down there, it's good.
that's pretty good.
I don't like it. Look. You guys don't see like the angles that you guys are at.
Well, mine and Andrew's angle look good.
Mine doesn't. And just making more scratches.
Really?
There's dirt on it.
Yeah, I can see it.
You see them?
Yeah, but I don't know if they were there before. But
Let me see them. Oh, yeah. This one.
I don't like it.
I know, but I want to bring it.
Huh?
He does not approve.
I got most of it out, so it's not going to be as satisfying. Yeah, I got like the first pass. Like, see, look at the head. It's like brown up there.
Yeah, apparently this chair is greasy.
How far was this?
Oh, that's the person who worked at Chick-fil-A, right?
It's brown. Still big.
All right, Arthur. So we're almost done cleaning the Miatas. You think we're gonna go take it to the car wash? I don't know. Just depending on the weather over there. I don't know. Well, meanwhile, that's still being decided. They're doing their finishing touches over here, cleaning the seats, putting the seats back. It's currently raining right now, so it kind of makes us not really that motivated to do things, but here we are. So this is what it looks like in the daylight. The 1999 NB Miata.
I'm gonna keep it on this. I'm gonna turn it back on.
Alright, so we gotta go to O'Reilly's because we're missing some parts.
We're missing every tool we need at home.
Yeah, so that's the update because right now we're thinking of draining the fluids from the NA Miata and let's just see what happens.
Hi.
What? Not even.
There's no good spot to it.
So we're attempting to jack up the car, but apparently it's dumb low.
Too low.
Like this jack is not tall enough, right?
Yeah. All that for this.
Yeah.
We'll try again from here.
And it's still raining outside.